Hello, good day everyone. So today we'll talk about the table of specifications as promised. However, I'm going to use another naka-prepare na table of specifications since, forgive me, I do not really have time to make another one. So I'm going to use my table of specifications for prelim examinations for educational technology for the second semester of 2015 to 2016 pa ito. Anyway, hindi naman nagbabago. And this is a typical table of specifications. So, gagamit lang ako ng pointer. Ayan. So, as you can see in here are the topics or the content. So, I have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 topics that has been finished for one term for the prelims yan. So, in total, there are 18 teaching hours. And you divide the teaching hours into the topics. For example, the first one, overview of technology integration in education, is 5 hours siya. Since overview nga, usually, maano yan, maraming pinag-uusapan dyan. So, i-divide nyo lang kung ilang oras nyo tinuro yung topics. So, total, 18 hours lahat. Bakit 18 hours? Kasi there are 54 units in lecture subjects like educational technology. 4 hours siya. So, usually 18 times 3. 18 ang isang ang tawag nito, term. So, punta tayo sa percentage. Paano kinukuha yung percentage? Of course, 2 divided by 18 times 100. Oh, diba? Do the maths, elementary math. Equals 11.11. So, kopyahin mo na lang since pare-parehas itong letter G, letter F, letter E, and letter D, pare-parehas. Di pare-parehas sila. So, ganun din ang gawin natin dito sa 5 hours of teaching. 5 divided by 18 times 100. That's 27.7. So, punta tayo sa number of items. Paano siya i-determine? So, meron ka nang nakalagay kung ilan ang total number of items. Sa college kasi for prelims, for midterm, the tawag nito, the minimum is 50 points. Pero kapag finals, the minimum total score is 80 points. So, since prelims pa lang naman, 50 tayo. Paano siya kino-compute? So, 11.11% times 50. So, ang makukuha mo dyan ay 5.5, pero wala namang 5.5 na item. Hindi naman pwedeng, this is 5.5 points. Hindi naman pwedeng ganun. So, i-round off natin siya, gawin natin siyang 6. O, ganun din sa isa, 6. Pero yung isa, kung mapapansin nyo, ginawa natin siyang 5. 5.5 din ito. Pero, ang ginawa na lang natin dito, yung 0.5 nito, transfer natin dito sa isang 0.5 para maging 6. So, we have 2, 2, 6, 2, 5. Sana nakuha nyo. Ulitin nyo na lang yung video pag hindi nyo nakuha. O ganun din, sa 27.7% times 50, makakakuha kayo ng 14. Yan, do the maths. And then, ito na ngayon yung magbibigay sa inyo ng items kung ilan ang i-prepare nyong question doon sa letter A, ilan ang items sa letter B, ilan ang items sa topic letter C, ilan ang items sa topic letter D. So, i-distribute nyo na. K-pop pa lang noon ang nandito. Knowledge, practice, understanding, and performance yata ito noon. So, ganito. But today, since we have the run-up and easy, merong remembering, understanding, application, analysis, evaluation, and creation, i-distribute nyo na lang ng ganon. So, naka-distribute ito. Bilangin nyo, naka-distribute hanggang na 50 items talaga siya. So, ganun lang kasimple ang table of specifications. So, good luck sa inyong lahat. Happy TOS making!